Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through a simple process on how to hide likes on Facebook. Let's dive in. Open Facebook. First, you'll notice the total number of likes under each post. Some posts have them, some don't. Now, if you want to hide these likes, whether it's on someone else's post or your own, it's a straightforward process. Let me guide you through it step by step. First, head over to the menu. From there, navigate to the gear icon, and then move on to Settings and Privacy. This is where we'll find the Reaction Preferences. Once you're in, you'll see the option to hide likes on posts from others. Simply toggle that option if you want to keep likes under wraps on someone else's posts. And guess what? You can also hide likes on your own posts. Just activate that option, and you're good to go. Now, let's head back to the Facebook timeline and see how it looks. As you can see, the number of likes is no longer visible under someone else's post, and the same goes for your own posts. It's a neat and easy way to maintain a bit of privacy on your social media feed. And there you have it. You successfully learned how to hide likes on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.